What should I wear for the interview? What? Tie chalega? Shoes, black, brown. I'm a girl, so what kind of attire suits me or suits at the interview round? Nail polish? Yes, no. Trouser color, shirt color, every minor thing. Now just hitting your mind. So in this video I'm going to discuss about what exactly you have to wear for the interview. It doesn't matter आप IBPS SO interview के लिए जा रहे हो or you're appearing for the any other kind of interview. I will mention it separately for the male and for the female. Okay, so welcome to the new video, and in this video I'm going to talk about the interview dress code and other important things. But if you are new to this video, please subscribe to the channel and do watch the other interview videos which I have already put in my playlist. Okay, so you can quickly go over there and check out. I will give you a link also at the end of this video. So now I will start with the first male and then we'll talk about the female. But female, do not skip, फटाफट वो वीडियो भगाओ मत कि फीमेल का इस टाइम पे शुरू होता है, बिकॉज कुछ पॉइंट्स कॉमन होने वाले, तो आप भी उससे कुछ हेल्प मिल जाएगी. सो प्लीज़ पे अटेंशन. नाउ एज आई सेड, आई स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द मेल. You should wear preferably a two-piece suit. देखो, if you ask me the best the something which will give an impact, preferable if you wear a two-piece suit. It should be a solid or plain, generally not a fancy kind of thing, a solid or plain. And by color, if you ask me, it should be black or a dark gray, I would say, but preferably I would say black. Okay, now I can see some people over there, sir, I cannot afford, और यहाँ वहाँ से अरेंज भी नहीं हो सकता, what should I do? It doesn't matter. Basic formals, as you know, shirts and pant. You can wear like a light colored shirt. Okay, see, this is applicable for the girls also. Light colored shirt, it should not be too bright. यार आँखों को चुभना नहीं चाहिए वो. It should be very light color. And you know, the long sleeves, आपके जो हैंड्स रहेंगे ना, वो स्लीव्स फुल होने चाहिए. इट शुड नॉट बी मेड इनटू हाफ. कीप इट फुल. एंड शॉर्ट शर्ट्स मत पहनना. डू नॉट वेयर शॉर्ट शर्ट्स. इट शुड बी लाइक फुल शर्ट, लॉन्ग स्लीव्स. इट शुड नॉट बी फोल्डेड. And even for the color, for the shirts, the color should be like light blue or even white. Preferably I would say white, but if you go for other color, light blue रहेगा तो it will be better, because it looks fantastic. Okay, and when you wear the pants, the black pants, it should be dark in color. See, pant is something generally black is preferred. Okay, 98% people wear black, maybe 90% even if I say they wear the black. It makes you comfortable. It looks you it looks very good on a particular day, and it gives an impression that you have the dressing sense. Okay, then polished shoes. See, formal shoes, it should be polished. और हाँ, now polish वो दिखना चाहिए. I'll be very clear when it comes to the polish. See, if you are traveling by train, bus, auto, aeroplane, whatever, during traveling it might happen you carry a lot of dust, so make sure it is polished. It should not be like one day before, because see, when you are traveling, dust is going to carry wherever from, doesn't matter. So make sure it is polished. एकदम झकास लगना चाहिए. Okay, because किसी ने कहा है the first thing a person notice is your shoes. ठीक है, एकदम 10 मार्क नहीं होंगे इसके, बट याद रखना जो मैंने कहा था, इम्प्रेशन. नाउ बेल्ट. आपने, बाय द वे, डू यू नो जॉन सीना? John Cena carried that WWE title with that belt. Do not wear such kind of belt. I do not mean that big belt, but you know such belts, at that point where you attach the rope, usme there are something stylish I have seen. There is kind of dragon kind of thing or any kind of fancy design. Please do not wear such belts. It doesn't matter that you can keep the pant very well because of that belt, but no, keep a simple. And if I give you one advice or so, it should be matching the shoes. If you can do it, it will look really attractive. Attractive in the sense very good, I would say. जैसे कि in one word, dressing sense. Okay, so make sure you have it. Talking about a tie, see, tie is something, it's not necessary, I would say. It's not like compulsion you have to wear. Like, see, formals, yes, you have to wear it, it's compulsory. Tie is not. There are two things I would say. If you can get the information that the interviewer are they wearing tie or not by asking your previous candidate who had appeared. If you can get that info, and if he says they are not wearing, then don't wear it. Then don't wear it. The most important thing about tie is you should be comfortable. Some people like all the time, and if the interviewer is kind of funny kind of thing, then he might if he's a funny, he might ask you, if you keep on doing this, like गले में खिचखिच है क्या? So such kind of jokes they can crack. Obviously it will make you look uncomfortable, but if you can avoid, definitely avoid it. ठीक है? अच्छा, no need to mention, but still कपड़ों को इस तरह अच्छे से रखना. Don't just like that pick up any cloth. It is ironed properly. Now shoes हो गए, socks. Now see, there is a one important thing. I don't know if you notice or not, boy or a girl, whatever. When you sit, you know, the bottom of the pant a bit goes up when you sit, and socks might appear. They might come into the picture. It's quite normal. Make sure your socks cover up at least half of your calves. Okay, एकदम घुटने तक नहीं चाहिए, but some people I have seen, they were very like after the main portion of the leg, it covers very small, go to the not just much above, and if you, it is like your socks are visible that it is finished. Okay, so make sure you wear such kind of socks, they cover at least half of your calf, I mean by the height. Okay, wear the watch. ठीक है, वॉच में भी कोई फैंसी चीज़ करना मत. नाउ सम आई हियर समबडी सेइंग, सर इफ़ वी आर वेयरिंग द फुल स्लीव्स वाला शर्ट, सो वॉच वोंट बी विजिबल. आई नो दैट, बट वॉच वुड बी नोटिसेबल. ओके, बिकॉज शर्ट पे वो थोड़ा हेवी दिखेगा ना. सी, दीज आर नॉट गोइंग टू कैरी 10 marks 2 marks, बट one word, dressing sense and impression. Keep these two things in mind. Okay, now haircut. See, don't have a haircut just 1 or 2 days before the interview. It will literally change your entire look. It will be like, ये कौन है? आधार कार्ड पे एक दिखता है, असलियत में एक दिखता है. You know, such kind of things can happen. If you want to have a haircut, you can have 7-8 days in advance. Now see, today is 18th. If I'm not wrong, on 25th there is the first day. So exactly 7 days to go, a week to go. If you want to have a haircut, have right now, today, not tomorrow. Have it today. Those who have in March, they can even plan in 1 or 2 days, because your look should match at least. They are not going to do biometric in the interview, in the interview room. They are not going to do biometric in the interview room, but थोड़ा ठीक ठाक अब दिखने चाहिए. Okay, and some people, they have the habit of having the बारीक कट, पूरा शेप अच्छे से वो कट कर लेते हैं, एंड इट टेक्स टाइम टू ग्रो योर हेयर. तो कहीं ना कहीं वो पर्सनैलिटी थोड़ी मैच होनी चाहिए जो आपका फ़ोटो में है या जैसे आप जनरली लुकते हो. ओके, एंड हेयर स्टाइल कैसी रखो, इंसानों जैसी रखना. कीप इट लाइक अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, कीप इट सिंपल. I know some people are over there who likes MS Dhoni's that haircut which was in his earlier days of cricket, long hair. Okay, see, because it gives a certain impression. Okay, it gives an impression that you are like yo man kind of a person, but in an interview you have to make sure it is a simple hairstyle. Okay, I'm not saying to be that typical Surinder Sani from the Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi with the Shah Rukh Khan played that role. I'm not telling you that keep that hairstyle, but थोड़ा बहुत ठीक ठाक रखो, ठीक है. And my advice, if you have a habit to that color your these things, ठीक है, keep it to certain limit if you can't remove it. Okay, it should not be like variety of colors are present. Okay, on I have got my point. Okay, then हाँ, बाली बिग बाली मत पहनना, इवन इफ़ यू आर फॉन्ड ऑफ पोस्टिंग, वो एक दिन के लिए आप रिमूव कर दो, ठीक है. अनलेस एंड अनटिल सी वन पॉइंट कुछ प्रॉब्लम ना, इसलिए इफ एनी काइंड ऑफ रिलीजियस थिंग और एनी काइंड ऑफ दिस थिंग्स आर देयर, दैट इज़ ओके up to your religion also. But other than that, if you are like to become stylish, if you wear the balis, and please उसको remove करना, you are for the interview. Okay, and last boys का मैं finish कर रहा हूँ. empty pockets. Now see, empty pockets, आपके pockets empty रखना, अंदर चवन्नी मत रखना. Okay, do not keep the chillers in your pocket. 1 rupees, 2 rupees, tam tam tam, it should not be sound. Okay, not even your pocket of your shirt. Okay, so this is for the male boys, and now the females. See, boys, do not skip the video right now, because there are again few things out there at the end of this interview, so keep being here. Female, shirts with formal blazer preferably, or even sari and salwar kameez. If you are wearing trousers, it should be dark preferably, and shirt, as I said in the for the boys, light color but in a formal way. Okay, sari should be very simple and light colored. See, what happens, we always think whenever we want to go somewhere, either in a party, wedding, interview, whatever, we want to see we look good, and that is not wrong. Obviously you have to look good, but you have to understand for which occasion you are going, and this is not any kind of party. Okay, where you are going to take the selfies, where you are going to meet hundreds of people, like you are looking gorgeous, you are looking handsome. You are not going there for such kind of compliments. Sari should be simple, light colored, ठीक है. And you girls have a better idea, it should be restricted to the interview level. Hair, now see, hair should be tied back. Okay, ऐसे बाल खुले मत रखना. Okay, because क्या होता है पता है, sometimes you are speaking, it comes out and fall on your face, and see, it does not look good. Suppose you have the very good content, you are ready for the interview, all the content is ready, and you have been asked, tell me about yourself, and you keep speaking like this, like I am Deepika Padukone, I have worked with so and so company, and see, once in a while you take your hair behind. Okay, it means see, obviously when you're going to speak, your body is going to move, and your body is going to move the बाल आने ही वाले, आँखों में सामने आने वाले. So make sure it is tied back. Okay, no long nails, and no nail polish. If you are using nail polish, it should be light, it should not be too bright. Light color में nail polish, but preferably not. No long nails. See, in the nails, I would want to mention one point. If any either any boy or girl watching, some people have to keep one nail of any particular thumb, anybody see said thumb too long. वो नाखून को इतना बढ़ा देते हैं ना. I sometimes I wonder, like they have the habit, whatever it is. Sometimes it feels like, अरे यार, interviewer, if he does not select you, are you going to hit him? Okay, कि तेरे को मैं पिन मारूंगा जब मेरे को select नहीं किया तो. So don't cut it, put it properly shaped. And next, no party wear salwar suit. So girls, please make a note of it. It should not be a party wear kind of thing. Simple suit. Then it should not be carrying too much, creativity stuff or like embroidery. Simple, एकदम simple रखना. हाँ, now the most important maybe from the woman point of view, makeup, little makeup, or according to me, if you ask me, natural makeup. Okay, I know girls, you know better idea, you have the better ideas, but don't make it too heavy, because दिमाग में क्या रखना, you're going for the interview, you're not going for the any kind of party thing, any kind of get together, such kind of reunion plan or something. Next is, as I said, nail colors should not be dark if you are putting the nail polish, and no dark color even for the lipstick. It should not be too heavy, no dark color, simple light. Now footwear, avoid high heels for the interview. Okay, वो हाई हिल वाले जो सैंडल्स पहनते हो मत पहनना, preferably not. Even if I think even if you are comfortable wearing it, I think you should not. Even if you are the best, you can run by wearing those high heels. Do not. One reason maybe it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good in the sense it gets noticed. Okay, you're wearing, and it does not get noticed for the good cause. It's like and that sound, tuck 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 tuck, getting. So preferably avoid high heels. Acha, purse. Girls, you have a habit to carry a purse. If you are carrying a purse, it should be simple and small. Okay, पूरा मेकअप का सामान मत डालना उसमें. हाँ, पूरा मेकअप सामान उस दिन तो कम से कम मत लेके जाओ. Preferably black or brown by color. I would say black only. कैरी नहीं भी करते हो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट अगर कैरी करते हो तो इट शुड बी सिंपल एंड स्मॉल. मतलब एवरी टाइम वो संभालना नहीं है बैग आपको. ओके, बिकॉज सी योर पर्स इज नॉट गोइंग टू गिव यू मार्क्स. इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट. Now the jewelry stuff. See, minimum jewelries, less ornaments, preferable, and see, if you are wearing bangles, chudiyan, then preferably 1 or 2. I would say 1. One in each hand. ठीक है? Because every time if you do like this, and वो sound भी आता है if you are wearing multiple. So see to it if you can avoid it. And if you are wearing sari or salwar kameez, then flat or थोड़े कम हिल वाले लाइट हिल के चप्पल्स आर प्रिफरेबल. ओके, एंड apart from all this, the best attire you can wear, you know what, it's your smile. ठीक है, मैगडी वाला नहीं, उससे भी बड़ा. Okay, your smile, because your smile says that you are confident, and you are confident, definitely interviewer will find interest to speak with you, to ask you more questions, to ask you to know more about you. Okay, so keep smiling. तो keep smiling का इसका मतलब ये नहीं ऐसे करते रहो, कैसा लगेगा वो. Interviewer will say you do not look sure, and you will be like, सर ने बोला स्माइल करते रहने का. ऐसा मत करो. Smile at appropriate moments. Always remember, interview is a two-way communication process. You should not be too much like conscious. You should not be like too much worried. Mix and match. Okay. So this is what for the dressing code also. Okay. I hope it is clear to you. छोटी छोटी चीज़ों पे ध्यान रखना. This ironing the clothes and everything, don't keep it to last date. 2-3 days in advance. Keep it in safe, properly ready. On that day, you have to just take it, wear it, and just go for the interview. Okay, so this is all for the day, and wish you all this for the interview. See you in the next video.